Hi everyone, this is a 25 kilowatt Mer semi-rapid charger. But before I show you how to use it, it's good to know you have the choice to charge your electric vehicle as a guest user or by registering on our network. As a guest user, you do not need to register. Connect the cable to your car, download and open the Mer Connect UK app, enter your location or check the socket number on the charger, select the charge point in the app, swipe to connect and add your personal details to start the charge. To stop the charge, swipe stop in the app and disconnect the cable from the car. A receipt will be sent to you via email following your charge. You can also charge via your web browser as a guest user or a registered customer by visiting our driver portal accessible from the Mer website. To charge with a Mer charge card, create an account on the app or driver portal to order the card. Once you have received it, connect the cable to the car and hold the charge card on the charger's card readers to start your charge. To stop the charge, follow the same steps. Hold the charge card on the card reader and disconnect the cable from the car. Detailed instructions on how to use the charge point can be found on the charger. To find out more about our roaming partners and prices, visit our website uk.mer.eco.